aesthetics.
Hey, what's up guys? So we're going to do a chest workout and tricep abs. We got Achieve right there. Gonna take a scoop of pre-workout. It's kicking pretty intense. Also the taste is awesome guys. You really need to try it out. So driving, taking a scoop. That's how we do it. Perfect. I'm with Alex and another friend today. We're gonna go heavy, so we'll need to have a spot. Pretty cool. So guys, try it out. See you in the gym.
Needed some sugar.